what is the right way of climbing a truss. Because if this is not done the right way, if there is a fall that happens, that is not only affecting the person, it is affecting the truss, it could affect the inventory that's on it. Over the years, we've seen the kind of accidents that have happened across the country, right? So are we ready?
But we're here to talk about electric chain hoists and the safe and proper use. So that's the first thing, the hoist has got the information on the hoist. Make sure you lift it up, make sure you use the manual. And like I said, we use a 3-phase induction motor. That's made up of 2 key components inside the hoist. We have the stator and we have the rotor. So this is the heart of the motor. This is the engine, if you like. This is where we put the power in, and this is what makes the motor turn and makes the chain go up and down.
A truss is essentially a ladder structure, like you said. A ladder is nothing but a ladder beam of sorts. If you look at this, you've got 4 lattice structures. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lattice structures that basically come together and make a truss.
Now I have 2 spans with me. This is a small span, this is a larger span. Now what load does to the span is bending and deflection. If it is a small span, the bending and deflection is relatively less. Now if the span is double, for the same load, the bending and deflection is going to be more. So if this was a 400 truss, this would maybe need to be a higher, 600 or 750.
So if you look at this as a truss, left front, right front, back left, and back right. Those are the 4 load cells. Now when a person starts climbing up, you will start realizing that these values are changing because there is dynamic weight that is being loaded. Now we are doing this as a demonstration. He's kept it simple, right? He's wearing a helmet, he's wearing a full body harness, and his full body harness is attached to 2 cells in his shoulder towel. And इसका purpose काफी simple है. एक सेल्फ होगा या एक एंकर डिवाइस होगा और वो डालते डालते ऑन हो जाता है और you're gone.
It is usually the truss that we use in our industry. हम लोग जो ज़्यादातर यूज़ करते हैं अपनी इंडस्ट्री में वो एल्यूमिनियम होता है because aluminium is lighter, it's easier to machine. Because imagine अगर आपको एक शो करना है when you have to work with steel truss becomes very heavy. You need cranes, you need forklifts, all of that, which is why we prefer to work with aluminium trusses.
The definition of pyro is a fire. Pouring fire doesn't make sense. Fire is never pouring out. All its arc producing devices, be it machines or be it the jobs they receive over here. And a lot of I've seen that picture happen, and I cannot tell you how unsafe that is.
The hoist is fitted with some warning labels, and as you can see, we've talked about all these. These have all been shown in the presentation throughout. So we've talked about risk of electric shock. We've talked about manuals. We supply manuals with all our hoists. Always lubricate the chain. Okay? There's a sticker on the hoist that reminds you to do it.
Second, importance of gathering safety standards. So each and every barrel having the safety, own safety are there. So we need to ensure whenever we are doing an event at this particular barrel, we need to follow 9 safety other than whatever safety standards they wanted to do, and we need to follow the safety standards.
से अगर नीचे उतरते वक्त मोस्टली जो हम लोगों ने अभी तक देखा है, जब कोई भी बंदा हॉरिजॉन्टल से वर्टिकल में आने के लिए आता है तो ये टाइप पे बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं जो हम लोगों ने अभी तक देखा है हमारे एक्सपीरियंस के साथ। तो आप अगर आपके पास 2 सेल्फ है तो ये डेफिनेटली नहीं होगा।
Look at this. These are nodes where all the members meet. It is ideal to put a load over here because the bottom member will then go in bending. If you have a load over here, there are so many members to take care and the bending will not happen. The bending which will happen is for the totality. If you put a load over here, the bending would be local between this node and okay. So you can हमेशा load point पे डालना चाहिए and not on the member.
Basically, there are people here who are members. We have volunteered our time to do safety and awareness workshops. ये हमारे इंडस्ट्री के लिए ज़रूरी है और जितने हम मेंबर्स बनेंगे या बढ़ाएंगे इतना अच्छा होगा अपने सबके लिए. So please spread the word around and come and become members and join us.